Hey you guys, how's it going? We're just getting ready to take off to 22 RPD to go pick up the BMW. I'm so excited. God, these chickens, man. They're like hoarding. Look at these guys. They're coming after me. Oh crap. Okay, I'm gonna get the Mercedes started real quick and yeah, let's do it. Okay, you guys made it to 22 RPD. Hell yeah. Here we are. Hell yeah. As you guys can see, she's pretty dirty. Can't even see them. You can see there they are. Pretty sweet. Look at this race car, you guys. This thing's sick. Look at that. M3 right there. That thing's badass. Yeah. We're gonna go get all the paperwork done and then take it home. She's running again. Woo! How much cooler this thing is running, you guys. It usually runs like 220 degrees. It's running like 180 with this new oil cooler setup. It's insane. This thing doesn't even warm up anymore. It's pretty crazy, but yeah, we'll show you the whole setup once we get home, but yeah, see you guys in a little bit. We're back at home now. I want to show you guys under the engine, right? Just because it's gorgeous now. But yeah, let's take a look. Dang, look at that, you guys. So clean. Holy smokes, you guys. Isn't that insane? And then we got oil cooler right there. Come over to this side. Oil cooler right there. So as you guys can see, this setup is legit. I didn't see over 180 degrees all the way home. Usually this thing runs around 220 degrees before I had this oil cooler setup. Even mobbing in Mexico, this thing did not go over 180 degrees. So it's pretty impressive. They did an amazing job designing this kit. All the stainless lines running and this CNC billet. Amazing, you guys. But yeah. One problem it is having, I don't know if they like snipped the wire while they're working on it, but it will not engage sport mode. So we got to figure that out, and it won't stay in manual mode for more than like a couple seconds. So if any of you guys know what that could be, please let me know down in the comments, because it's kind of annoying it going in drive mode and staying at like the highest gear, especially up hills. Our driveway is really steep, and this thing went up a gear on me and bogged insanely, and I had to downshift, and it did not like that. So yeah, if you guys know the fix to that, please let me know down in the comments. But hey guys, how's it going? We got the BMW in the garage, and we're gonna go ahead and tear the center console apart, try and get down to the where a lot of people say there's usually damage is like a crimped wire down by the like the shifter connects to the transmission. So we're gonna have to tear the center console apart real quick, get that all sorted out, because I really don't want this car. The people that it just came back from said that they're 3 weeks out until they can work on it, and I really don't want this car to be sitting for 3 weeks. So we're gonna go ahead and diagnose it ourselves, see what's going on, if that's even the issue. If not, then we're still waiting on 3 weeks. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so we have to pry this up. First, hang on, going a little fast. We gotta outro for the video just because it's pretty late and I don't have enough time to wrap this up tonight. But next video I'll be completely finishing, getting that all soldered up and everything put back together. And 1 second, wait, don't leave. Just want to show you guys what's all going on in here. So yeah, it's kind of a mess in there. Hang on, let's get this door open. But as you guys can see, it's all taken apart. This is the wire that is busted, thanks to BMW's awesome ingenuity. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing all fixed up and get it running all nice. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.